Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express Screencast with me, teacher Markie. Today's lesson focuses on GED Science under chemistry, and our topic will be about physical and chemical changes. Now, at the end of the discussion, every one of you is expected to distinguish and identify substances if it undergoes physical or chemical change. Now, before we proceed, we need to define first what property is. So, when you say property, that would be a description of an object. For example, we have here this object, which is a tree. The tree is identified as tall in this picture, and it can be identified as green. And if struck by lightning, the tree could catch fire or it will burn. Now, other physical properties, these are determined by the use of the blank, and they are a blank of an object. Can you identify based from the pictures below? So the answer would be this. They are determined by the use of the five senses, such as the sight, hearing, taste, touch, and also smelling. And they are a description of an object using the five senses. So examples of physical properties are the following. It could be color, smell, taste, hardness, or state of matter, such as solid, liquid, or gas. Now, it can also include boiling, freezing, or melting point. Now, for the examples of physical properties, it could be density, which identifies how heavy an object is, or if it can sink or float. Or it could be mass, volume, or malleability, which is the ability to be molded. Or it could be solubility, which indicates the ability to be dissolved by a substance. Now, a chemical property is defined or can be determined by a substance's ability to blank with other substances. Can you guess what should be the word in the blank? You're right, the answer would be react. So, if a substance reacts with another substance to produce a new product or a new material, that is a chemical change. Now, examples of chemical properties would be the ability to react with blank. That would be air, for example, producing rust, tarnish, corrode, or rot. And the ability to react with water or acids can be considered as chemical change. And the ability to catch fire, which is known as combustion reaction in chemistry, or also known as flammability. Now, let's try this. Physical or chemical property. Ability of a gunpowder and fire to explode. Can you guess that? Since that is a combustion reaction, that is known as a chemical property. Good job. How about this one? The color of a sunset. The color of a sunset is mainly a physical property because it's just talking about color. How about the ability of a nail to rust? That is right. That is a chemical property because iron reacts with oxygen to produce iron oxide. Now, how about the shape of a leaf? Since this is all about shape, this is a physical change. How about this one? The ability of wood to burn. This is so easy. You're right, that is a chemical property since it's a combustion reaction or flammability. How about the hardness of a diamond? Good job, that is a physical property. How about the volume of your Coke? That is also a physical property. Great, how about the mass of two camels? Exactly, that is also considered as a physical property. Now, when you say physical changes, that is a change that occurs blank, changing the blank of the substance, and blank new substances are formed. So, can you guess the answer to the blank? Let's try. Exactly, that will be without. How about the second line? Precisely, it is identity. And how about the last? Good job, it's no. So technically, physical changes is a change that occurs without changing the identity of the substances, and no new substances are formed. Now, how about chemical changes? That would be a change that occurs that blank the blank of a substance to change something blank is formed, and new substances with blank properties are formed. Can you guess the answer to the first blank? Good job. That would be causes. How about the second blank? Great, identity. And the last is new, and we have here new again. So technically, chemical changes is a change that occurs that causes the identity of the substance to change. Something new is formed. So new substances with new properties are formed, which is known as the product. Now, a great job, everyone. That ends our discussion for today about chemical and physical changes, and this will be the references that I have used for this video. That will be Cambridge Chemistry 3rd edition, and you can go to ck12.org Physical Science Middle School if you want to read in advance. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to connect with us, you can visit www.phuketpals.org or go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/phuketpals. Since you are here already, you might as well subscribe to our channel and click the subscribe button down below. If you have questions or inquiries regarding our organization, you can give us a message through line or give us a call at 081-417-0978. That will be all. Thank you and have a great day. I'll see you in my next screencast. Bye everyone.